This is a bad leak area we had fixed. And it turns out I left a board in that I shouldn't have. Because shortly after, within a year, I think we had sawdust coming down. So I finally decided to rip it out. So I had to rip out two 2x6s. The one was cut, the other one was solid all the way through, but it was badly damaged from the ants. And basically I killed them as I pounded on it and they came out. And I'm still killing a few. I've already cleaned up most of the mess. And I blocked the stained glass window so I wouldn't put a hammer through it if it slipped or something, or a piece of wood. So I'm now going to have to cut these nails off. I don't know if I'm going to do it by hand or with a grinder. I think I'll try by hand first, gradually do that. And then what I'm going to do is coat this with boric acid solution. Just spray it on there, or borate. And then I'm going to observe, let it go for a while and see if there's leaks here. Because I suspect that there is a leak. I just don't know where the heck it is. So I'm going to have to try to figure out where there is a leak and then take care of that. It was a new roof we put on, and I thought I had it designed well, but it was a very complicated design in this area here, very difficult, because you have the stairs coming down here, and it's basically a flat roof with a small pitch. You can see it's not much of a pitch. So we're going to clean this up, hit it with some boric acid, cut these nails off. That's going to take some time, most likely. For today, I'm just going to finish cleaning up and maybe get the boric acid ready, or borate in solution.